Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? If this is the first time you watch my video, welcome to my YouTube. My YouTube channel is focused on three areas: fashion, luxury, and beauty. For beauty, I have over 27 years experience in cosmetics. That's right! I've been working in cosmetics for 27 years and I'll be 48 this year. So I know quite a bit about skincare. So if you're into skincare, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel. You're gonna learn a lot of different tips and tricks regarding to skin. Not to mention, I just launched my own skincare, so definitely check it out below later. Alright, so today's videos, we're gonna do unbox and PR box. Oh my god, I think this is the biggest box I ever received so far. Hold on, I can't even get this. You ready to see this now? Ta-da! Oh my god, it's by Artistry Studio. What is it? Glowman Challenge. Ooh, so let's look at this and what is this all about. Let's get started. Wow, this is pretty big. Okay, it says right here, join us for the Self-Guide Self-Care Challenge inspired by this amazing new Artistry Studio skincare product. From June 28th to July 2nd, we are celebrating glowman moments that make us feel radiant inside and out through this fun and easy Instagram challenge. Each day we will be holding contests where you have a chance to win one of 5 Artistry Studio skincare product kit. No purchase necessary. But I already got everything, so I don't know what's that for. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. I don't want to damage this. Wait, how do I open this? Wow, this package probably cost them a lot of money. So I'm still not quite sure about the challenge, but I guess I'll put all the information below so you can check it out on the Instagram for Artistry Beauty, Artistry Studios. And oh my god, they give me everything! What this is so cool. So let's see what they gave me. Wow, that's a lot of stuff right here. I'm a little overwhelmed now. So first, they gave me UV sunglasses. This is crucial because there's so many UV light and you can, UV light cause skin cancer, this and that. Oh, I need to remove the sticker here though. Alright, so there's a 7 product right here. Oh my god, there's so many. Okay, let's go one by one. I don't even know what is this. So the first one is the Hydro Base. So what is, okay. I need reading glasses. I don't even know what's this. So this must be some kind of moisturizer. Yes, let's show you guys. Yeah. So let's open this up right now so we can see what is in here. By Artistry. I think this is... Oh my god, this smells so good. What is in there? It smells so good. I smell like a berry or some kind of berry. It's a vibrant energy treatment for the skin. And look at this. It's a gelato jelly, instant hydrate, blur, mattify, and prime for makeup. So it's kind of like a makeup primer. I feel like I want to eat this thing here. Oh wow, this smells so good and so silky. As you blending, it kind of melt into the water. It doesn't feel like a silicone or anything like that. Oh, this just smells so good. I literally want to just like a sorbet eat it, but you can't. Don't do that. Then we have a cleanser, exfoliator. Let's see, Glow Boss. Let's take this out here. Pretty nice packaging. So it's exfoliator and cleanser all in one. It has a very clean scent, so I'm not gonna demo the cleanser because I'm in the studio now. Okay, after that we have Rose All Day Anti-Acne Toner, 1% salicylic acid. So that's good. I break out due to stress, so this is help. Pretty nice. The next item is acne treatment clear gel, 2% salicylic acid. So it's kind of like a clear gel. No smell, it's good. I would definitely use this on the treatment area, meaning that where you have a breakout. I wouldn't put this entire your face because it could be too strong for the skin, especially the eye area. And then they have a glow mask. I'm sorry, Glow Maker Hydrator. It's a glow tonic cocktail booster. So some kind of hydrating serum. Yep, that's a serum. Okay, it has some kind of glitter in there though. That I don't know. I think it's cute to put glitter, shimmery stuff on makeup, but not for skincare. Anytime they put this type of luminosity stuff, I'm gonna show you guys. It's really for just for effect, not really benefit anything. Okay, let me smell this. It doesn't smell anything. Oh, moisturizing mist. Okay. Wow, they really gave me the whole entire skincare line. And then this one is a lip exfoliator. It's cute, let's try this. I always need to exfoliate my lips. Oh, it's a solid treatment, so let's try that. It's a little bit sweet taste. It feels like a sugar scrub. Good thing about sugar scrub, you can basically just eat it. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna try the Glow Tonic Cocktail Booster. Typically, when you have a dropper like this, you just want to use the entire dropper for your whole face. That should be enough. So let's try it. We're gonna do half the face first just to show you guys. Can you see any difference in my skin? There's definitely no scent, so I really like that. It's very easy to apply. It absorbs very, very quickly, which is good. This feels good. Okay, there's a difference. If you want to do a little massage, don't massage in the serum. You want to pat it on. When you pat it on, it give you more cushion. It give you more time for you to do massage. If you just massage it like this way, you'll absorb very, very quickly. So it depends what you want to do for the product for your skin. This is so yummy. So yummy. Hydro Prime. Oh. I think I want to eat it more than I want to apply to my face. So as you apply, the treatment really melt into more like water a little bit. So you absorb pretty good so far. You know, sometimes when you apply moisturizer, you just know, oh my god, the texture, how it finished, it feels so good. Okay, so overall, I really like this, the bomb. Don't know what is this yet, but I like it. And I like the lip exfoliator. I haven't tried the cleanser and toner, I'll get back to you. The serum, not too bad. Let me try this. Face mist. Oh, it's a fine mist, I like that. I hate that, hold on. I hate those mist sprays so thick and then the water ruining the makeup, so this is pretty fine, so this is nice. Okay, so out of everything, I like the mist, exfoliator, and this is so cool. Hydro Prime. Definitely need to give it a try. Alright, so check out my Instagram later on. I will do more review and keep track how this product works on my skin. And I will list all the information about their glowman challenge. You all invited on Instagram, and starting June 28 to July 2nd. I'll list that below for you guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. It means a lot to me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next week, okay? Bye!